Hello everyone, in this video I am discussing about the nucleosome structure. As we know, histone protein are responsible for the first level of DNA packing and most basic level of chromatin organization called nucleosome. Here you can see the picture. First it is a DNA and DNA get packed and folded and form nucleosome structure. This nucleosome are present as a bits on a string form. This nucleosome rather than folded and packed into 30 mm fiber which called solenoid. Then this solenoid also get packed and form 300 nanometer chromatin fiber also called super solenoid. Then the super solenoid further condense and produce final shape of chromosome which is 1400 nanometer in diameter. A nucleosome contains an average of around 200 BP base pair DNA. In some cases it may be higher as possible 260 base pair, which is seen in sperm of the sea urchin, and it may be present as low as 154 base pair, which is seen in basically fungus. Each nucleosome is basically disc shaped or barrel shaped and about 11 nanometer in diameter. It consists of one core particle, some smaller or linker DNA and H1 histone proteins. First one, the core particle. The core particle consists of the octamer of histone having two copies of each H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. Here you can see that 2H4, 2H3, 2H2A, here H2A, here H2A and H2A and H2B. They all together form a octamer formation. And first H4, 2H4 and 2H3 first come and together bond a tetramer, but H2A and H2B form two dimer. They do not form any tetramer formation. These proteins are responsible for coiling of DNA into nucleosome. For coiling of DNA into nucleosome, these proteins are responsible, and each of them, all protein have around 120 to 130 amino acid, and it is basically 11 nanometer in diameter and 6 nanometer in height. A strand of DNA having around 146 base pair is tightly wrapped around this core and forming two circles. So each circle, 73 nucleotides per turn are present. Here you can see that this is a DNA, this is wrapped around this core and form two cycles. So each circle get 73 nucleotide. Each turn get 73 nucleotide. Now each histone protein has core particle has some flexible tail containing 11 to 37 amino acid. Here you can see the picture. This is a tail, this is a tail. Here you can see this is a tail, this is a tail. This all tails get around 11 to 37 amino acid, and these tails are positively charged, for which it can interact with negatively charged phosphate of DNA and keep the DNA and histone tightly associated and facilitate compaction of adjacent nucleosome. So basically nucleosome get attached with tightly. Now second one is the spacer and linker DNA. Here you can see this is the spacer and linker DNA. This is a small segment of DNA and which is around 40 base pair long. One subunit of histone protein is associated with it. So there is considerable variation of the length of this spacer DNA or linker DNA. Yes, as for example, in sea urchin sperm, the linker DNA is around 80 base pair long. Now H1 histone protein, these are large protein than other H2A, H2B, H3 or H4. These are around 20 amino acid long, and these are present as one molecule per 200 base pair. That means it present after 200 base pair on one molecule, and it is loosely associated with DNA. Only one histone proteins are present within each chromosome. They bind with the linker DNA around 20 to 20 base pair. Thus, these proteins are responsible for packing of nucleosome into 30 nanometer fibrate or solenoid. Here you can see the picture. This is on a bit on a string appearance, which nucleosome. Here you can see this. This is the total is called nucleosome, and these are called core DNA, which is around 146 base pair, and these are the H1 history protein. For this nucleosome, these histone protein are specific. Like this nucleosome, these histone proteins are specific. This nucleosome, for this histone proteins are specific. Only one histone proteins are associated with nucleosome, and this blue color is called the linker DNA, which is around 40 base pair to 60 base pair long. This is a linker DNA. This is a linker DNA. After that, this is a linker DNA. This is a linker DNA. This also linker DNA, and this also linker DNA. But this is the core DNA, which is wrapped around the nucleosome, as we know. And this is the core particle. This is the core particle, which is made up with octamer formation of 4 different types of histone protein. Thank you.